Many popular legitimate apps use the API to legitimately provide all users with benefits, but accessibility services are also exploited by cybercriminals in order to gain additional permissions for their malicious apps. For example, the Svpeng banking Trojan abuses the feature to steal text entered into the phone's apps, open URLs, and read text messages, and to grant itself additional rights. DoubleLocker ransomware and BankBot malware are also among those which exploit accessibility services to compromise Android devices. Google now appears to be looking to put a stop to applications which don't use the accessibility services feature for the original nature in which it was intended. In an email sent to an app developer and posted to Reddit, Google said it is reviewing the permissions policy regarding apps and accessibility services. Apps requesting accessibility services should only be used to help users with disabilities use Android devices and apps. Your app must comply with our permissions policy and the prominent disclosure requirements of our user data policy, said the message. If you aren't already doing so, you must explain to users how your app is using the Android.permission.bind accessibility service to help users with disabilities use Android devices and apps. Apps that fail to meet this requirement within 30 days may be removed from Google Play, it adds. See also, can Google win its battle with the Android malware? Failure to explain why an app needs the use of the Accessibility Services API could potentially see apps removed from the Google Play Store. However, some have criticized Google's message as being too vague and not helpful to developers or users. If the new policy is a means of trying to protect users, it comes as Google has been criticized for repeatedly failing to stop fake and malicious apps from getting into the official Android marketplace. Net contacted Google for clarification, but hadn't received a response at the time of publishing.